this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to use the magic eraser. This is going to allow you to erase specific objects from your picture. So let's go ahead and get started here. As you can see, I have this image here of a laptop, and there's a cup on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to remove this cup from this image using the magic eraser. So if you have your image ready, go ahead and click on it and go to edit photo. And on the tools here, you're going to see something called a magic eraser. So click on that. And this is very simple to use. You just got to change the brush size if you want to change the brush size. So go ahead and increase that depending on the object that you're trying to erase. Sometimes your objects might be really, really small. So you want to make sure that your brush size is that small as well. So I'm going to increase it a little bit. Now, the next thing you want to do is going to be highlight the object that you would like to remove. So I'm going to select highlight this entire cup. Right, I'm gonna go right here, make sure that I don't get into the laptop. Okay, all right, once I let go, it is gonna start erasing the object from the image itself. So I'm gonna give it a second here. As you can see, it's working its magic. So depending on the size of the object, you're gonna see that, might take a while, might take a little while. As you can see here, we still have a little bit of the remaining part of this object here. As you can see, most of it is gone. So what I could do is I can select this right here. Right there. Actually, let's give it a second. Hopefully it only gets rid of that. I should have made the brush size smaller so I can only select that. So a good way to do this is you can lower the brush size. Now you're going to be able to really get into this right here. So let's do that. Let's see what happens here. Okay, let's give it a second. It's working its magic. All right, cool. Now, another way to do this is you can zoom into your photo and you can really get to it, right? Kind of like that here. You can really get to this here. You zoom out. Let's give it a second. Let's give it a second. Working its magic. I think this works really, really well. As you can see, we've gotten rid of most of it here. So you can kind of like, make the brush size smaller and really get into this if you want to get rid of every little thing that's on here. So this is how you are going to be able to use the magic eraser. Now, if you realize that, well, I want that cup back, you can go ahead and click reset right here. Go ahead and reset. It's going to bring back whatever you erased. Okay. Now, that is pretty much it for this lesson. I'll see you guys on the next one.